How to use TikTok photo mode. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your TikTok. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now let's go ahead and add a photo. For that, tap on the plus icon at the below page and simply tap on this photo button here. This will open up your gallery section, and from here you can simply go ahead and select whatever photos that you would like to add. Tap on next. And likewise, this will automatically turn into a photo mode. You can also swipe into your left or right and also remove a photo which you would like to remove. Once you're satisfied, tap on this next button. And this will be a photo. If you would like to post it, you may go ahead and do so by tapping on this post button. Just like so guys, this is how you can use TikTok photo mode. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.